I'm Esther,
And I'm Mona, her sister.
and we are the Stitching Chicks.
I'm Patsy Chamberlain from Granbury, Texas. Annette Williams.
Donald back there.
Eleanor.
It was fun. It was fun. I like coming to the dime seminars because I learned things that I didn't know before. Little things that make a lot of sense, but I never thought of them before. It's like, I can use that.
I learned a lot. I got a lot of refreshing ideas of what I already know, but I learned about new products. I like the Mylar, especially the Mylar. We had a lot of fun and learned a lot of stuff.
Enjoyable.
It was great.
I have never experimented with making lace with my embroidery machine, and I think that's a really great idea.
I think probably learning about the lace and to see all the different ways that they use lace. And, you know, because I've seen designs for lace, but I've never had a reason to use it before. Now I've got some ideas how that could be used.
I like learning about the different needles, because I have a lot of needles break on me when I'm sewing, and so that really helped me out a lot.
Mylar.
Mylar.
I enjoyed the Mylar very much. I really enjoyed that part. Finding out about the new lace maker software.
Spending money, I guess. No, learning about software.
My favorite part was the trim, what they put around the collar on the jacket, the lace and the, what do you call it, made their own trim.
Like the one right behind.